In this video, you will learn how to reset your e-filing password. Registered e-filing users can reset their password by any of these methods. Answer secret questions, upload DSC, e-filing OTP, or using Aadhaar OTP. We will start from the bottom. Let's see how you can reset your password using Aadhaar OTP. This option is available only if your PAN and Aadhaar are linked. The steps involved in using Aadhaar OTP are as follows. Click the Reset button in the Forgot Password tab on the e-filing homepage. Enter your user ID and CAPTCHA details. Then click Continue. Select Using Aadhaar OTP from the drop-down available and click on the Continue button. You will be redirected to a page where you can confirm your Aadhaar number. Click Generate Aadhaar OTP. The Aadhaar OTP will be generated and sent to your mobile number registered with Aadhaar. Enter the Aadhaar OTP you receive. Enter your new password and confirm the password. Make sure you enter the strong password. After that, click on the Submit button once. Once the Aadhaar OTP is validated by UIDAI, which happens immediately, you can log in with the new password. Another way to reset your password is using the e-filing OTP option. For this, click the Reset button in the Forgot Password tab on the e-filing homepage. Enter your user ID and CAPTCHA details. Then click Continue. Select Using e-filing OTP from the drop-down options available and click on the Continue button. Next, select the Register email ID and mobile number option. Your marked registered email ID and mobile number will be displayed on the screen. Click on the Validate button. You will receive two different OTPs on your registered email ID and mobile number. Enter the email OTP and mobile OTP you received in their relevant fields. Click on the Validate button. Once the OTPs are validated, enter your new password and confirm the password. Click on the Submit button once the password has been reset. A success message will be displayed. You can now log in with your new password. Another way to reset your password is Answer Secret Question. Click the Reset button in the Forgot Password tab on the e-filing homepage. Enter your user ID and CAPTCHA details. Then click Continue. Select Answer Secret Question from the drop-down list available. Enter date of birth and select the question which you have entered while registering on e-filing portal. Answer the secret question and click on Submit. A success message will be displayed on screen if your answer to secret question is correct. You can now log in with your new password. The fourth method for resetting e-filing password is using DSC. For this, click on the Reset button in the Forgot Password tab on the e-filing homepage. Enter your user ID and CAPTCHA details and click Continue. Now select Upload DSC option and click Continue. You will be given two options, New DSC and Registered DSC. If you are a new user and you haven't registered your DSC, click on the New DSC option. If you have already registered DSC once, then you can use the Registered DSC options. The process for both the options is same. You have to upload the signature file from your DSC and click Validate. Once validated, you can log in with the new password. So, these are the 4 methods by which you can reset your income tax password. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel.